In sewing, a lining is an inner layer of fabric. It gives professional and strong result to your outfit. Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today I'm going to teach you a very easy to do quick method of lining. It gives professional and clean look to your garment. In first step, I cut out my front bodice and back bodice of my main fabric and front bodice and back bodice of my lining. So let's get started the video. First I am sewing my shoulder seams to the uh, front bodice and back bodice of main fabric. As you see, I have sewn my front body's shoulders, and after that I have pressed with iron in order to make it smooth, and repeated the same process with lining also. After pressing, make sure that your main fabric shoulders and your lining shoulders are smooth and flat. Pin bodice and lining with right side together. Place a lining bodice on the top of main bodice so that all edges are together. Pin around the neckline, armhole and the placket. So lining and main fabric, sew the both bodice pieces together along the neck curve around and armhole and back for button placket. After sewing, I take a scissor and notch all the way along armholes and neckline of my bodice. As you see, I am doing it very carefully and slowly, and I hope you will do the same. I have notched neck curve and armholes. Now you will need to pull the back bodice through the shoulders to turn the bodice right way around, like this way. So put your hands through the shoulder of the bodice, grab the back of the bodice and pull it through. You will need to do this on both sides. As you see, it is all completed. Side seams are remain. Press neckline edges and armhole edges well. Be careful that all the curves are smooth and that the lining is not picking out to the right side of the bodice. It's time to sew the side seams together. Now open up the bodice pieces as well. You can see the wrong side of the back bodice and back lining. The side seams raw edges should be flat in a straight line. Pinning them together carefully and gently. Now place the back bodice side seams on top of the front body side seams and ensure that they line up with right sides facing each other. Sew from the raw edges along both side seams. Pinning them together. Sew them straight. As you see, I have completed the side seams also. Press the side seams open, then fold the bodice back down so that the raw edges are in between the bodice and lining. Iron it from the both sides. It is all done. As you see, the finishing from the shoulder, armhole, neckline and side seams, back side of bodice. Lining a body not only provide a neat finish to your dress, it also hide all seams and can even make your dress reversible. This is the placket. Here you can attach the zip or you can attach the button, it's up to you. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. You can follow me on Instagram. I have mentioned the link in description, and you can visit my Facebook page also. Thank you. Bye bye.